Greetings, greetings, greetings once again to everybody. Make sure, be an area. And then massam here, massam here very short. I have an important message to Ghanaians. A serious, important message to Ghanaians. Especially Ghanaians are omopese mufa ye former President Jerry John Rawlings ye anani wono efanye politics. Former President Jerry John Rawlings, he deserves more than this. He deserves a lot from Ghana. Ghana owes the man a lot. I said the man deserves more than what we Ghanaians are offering the man right now, or offering the man now, or giving the man now. The man deserves than this. Ghanaians, we shouldn't take somebody's debt to do politics. This very message goes to both MPP and NDC. See, Ghanaians, you see sometimes yet to me ye nyama bia adaseni twiwa onti ase. Like seriously, because akola kiti et me bina no ekase Papa Jane onu na ketua na onyae. What kind of a stupid talk is that? One actually who sad no mu Ghana for a mu cancer asem no one actually mu sa asem no say mu kosa asem fun no say mu kan aden na mu ma mu kwan asem fun kwan na eya epipi mu anu aden tina ebinu mu ntumi dwin enkasempa. Former President Rawlings ni wo ye no wo nipa na oka say onu na ketua na wo nya no wo ni maketua wo benya won sisi na wo akola kitikiti mu bie wanu a asem funko na ehye monu ma papa no de obeye ma Ghana no de onu papa no beye ma Ghana no wo fiefo ben wo busiani ben wo nua ben wadafo ben na otu onu betu ye even quarter ama Ghana man. So far a presidency, we have a previous government apart from say they use taxpayers money TMU so apart from previous governments and our presidents apart from taxpayers money use on one strength at the year juma at free at the power man. Omodo say and to medium to she got them a ye got them carpentry juma no boa or mine grofa moye a juma anka esa anka ne anka mo de mass contract but or not to me a yebi bisa say president former president was and even president I was to see around or to me yebi bisa said ni padodo sen and not me yesade no hwe papa no mo ni pa bonefuo no mo amoye kronfuo awifo odifo no mo na mo nti papa na ase ba me de mati papa na ase because he is a man of justice. He is a man of justice. He is the man who doesn't tolerate nonsense. He is the man who doesn't tolerate corruption. Because of your name, more pencil say. Sikedie basa ayeko susisi a rebi to me esi na penso na usuropo, because when you do it he will deal with you ono pensisi o man ni kanko o man ni nko no na ope enti se wo wiasika when he catch you se ni so a on fan chew. That is a kind of a president you have. Ono ye leader oju oman kankom onye leader oju onunkwa de obedie onye pesemi kuminya leader office onu na pensu sikendie basa ekoso sisi a deals bebrebe a mo ye a ne kwanse mo ye niam ese mo sign na ne kwanse mo sign nyina mo sign wie those MPs that and those MP and ministers that have been caught in that kind of act, none of them have been arrested. None of them have been sacked. Now, offices are the see Papa J na Brensu, because he's a man of justice. He is a man of his word. He is a man who hates corruptions. And who give you the power, the audacity. A collaborative na Ghana Jimmy for. Because ya penny mo amoni nyansan konfo udifo no. Na wuti obi ebi ka say na ketua na wanya. E bi no so say odanyame asese wasachi na sama owu ye. So no sachi na sama owu ya. Wo ka sase mo wo sachi na asana wo bone mu. Na dia pa ni ye no bone be na o ye. Muna muhunu say e bone, but me hunu say e bone. I strongly agree with the man. Sakura, that is what I was expecting from the previous government till they say they will do justice to the armed robbers, the stealers, the robbers who steals our money, who always stole our money, who stole our money and they are still stealing our money. But no, Buffet say Nyama say this kama say mufan to Nyama mufan CC hospital mufan oxygen system na enye duma hospitals no na nipa baako na fasika atamska na we di. Whilst a number of people are lying in Kolebu right now in the same ward, which they can repair the machine that supply oxygen to the people in the hospital there. But because of nipa that's a need, person mi nkuminyanti, osi enkoto machine sika buburuja, opesika wienti, na obi baya, onu obeshe machine osi machine ye. Because of the nipa who yenti machine na senti, oxygen with a cylinder na money see one no. It can only be fixed. One can only be fixed it to two, other one or two people. Maximum will be two. And I say, who no money see also. I said, emergency be bad. I see or see with the person we feel also. They will remove it and when place it on or put it on, fix it to that emergency that who arrived. Then you'll be there. So that thing caused a lot of people to lose their life because of a repair, a machine that they will repair, a system that need a repair. Because of that, a lot of people are dying in Kolebu every day, and then every day by day, people are dying. And do you think, say Papa J, I'm a bonsoir. Officer say Papa J time do you think that the one in charge there who requested for a total or a complete machine that's supposed to be fixed, or complete oxygen machine that's supposed to be fixed before the sick people can be healed? Sisi no obi buy and see just said the machine did not have a problem, but it only need a place to repair. It only needs something to repair, something small, which will not even cost up to 3,000. But the first person that is in charge there requested for so many million. No we di or pesikane dikeke because of the ono pay dinti oxygen na esi obisu se esi wusu okolebo na esi wusu especially kolebo esi wusu onuma na emergency for baba esi mo yifu so e fan ko si nipa no so na nkrofo ewu de bia na office who the oye enye nipa na woku. So if you a single person are causing a lot of death every day, at least a day you kill about 10 people a day. Just calculate it by a week, by 7, by a month, and see the number of a human being, a human soul that those vampires have been taken away day by day. And the officer way Papa G Abreswa, you that person there, you that in charge, you will still be there. You will still be there without being sacked. And say, oh, Kunipa, these are the things I say, you're gonna forget Papa Nasians and I sorry, you be a money cacos as some for Pano. Says, oh, Nipa Baku because of the obedience. Near my so we, never my so physical machine one facing Nipa Bibri, no. Then you what you are expecting, say the government no pony same mouth on people still in a position. Papa J on authorities and Yamano. Or no, he will tell you. Whoever also deserves to be sent to firing squad will be sent, and the man is right because a single soul, because of his stomach, or no because of his stomach, sikan or no benyanti, daddy is a ye now on saving the past life, no things that he is supposed to do to save a human life, no what decided say on ye or persecute it on ye, none the pay would be a Papa J Sankawa. Then when he deal with you, then he can yes me be chance papa no and our kunipa and our yes every corona time way me I even remember the man I even remember the man in this corona era when the lockdown occurred. I remember and I said it. I said I wish this man should still be in power because the Garilo car here 5 cities 4 cities no the price was lifted from 5 cedi or 4 cedi to 35 cedi 40 cedi and the purchase of more needs 30 cedi or more and 35 cedi 40 cedi or more beton Gary Dino they will die. They don't have anything to do, they don't have anything to eat. Then Jerry Jones Jerry Jones will be there clapping for you. May his soul rest in perfect peace. He will come for the Gary and share for the poor people and share for the people to also get something to eat. That is a kind of a good leader we had in this country. This is a man that I love so much. I really love his action. I really love the way he fights against corruption and selfishness. Now what the whole man now pure now as a phone when can kind. Now who can say Papa no it's like say anka eni na ketu aponi eni na ketu aponi wu na wu tuaka se eni na ketu aponi eni mana ketu ya na wu ni say wu betu ya mana ebe fata no. You are very stupid to say that. See, the man has done a lot for this country. He has done a lot for this country. Tell me, ye kokwa sunta ma ye bre. Atiti pesemi kumina kromu kosono. He sacrificed his life. Kuna oye, do you people think say, kuna oye no wonkwani yefunti na oye na no. Because he sees things are happening, things are going on in the government system, in the system. Things are going on in the government, which he does not like, and which he see that is something that is letting or is taking the Ghanaians through some kind of sufferations and pains and difficulties. So he must to he must to step down. He must to put his legs on the ground and fight for the Ghanaians. And he fought it. And he has done his best. The man deserved, former President Jerry John Rawlings, he deserved more than what the payment that we are paying him today by using those stupid words. Those nonsense words that he's supposed to suffer than this. I am telling you, see, there is a saying that whatever goes around comes around. The words that come from your mouth, it will surely hit you back. Papa no you. Some people say, ye leader bay and ultimately on one home they sacrifice a ye chuma at the poor man. Ye leader was saying ni appointees. Baby beer a now bet to me a chim at their shed prison. From Nkrumah up to now, besides a leader bay. What is a Papa J? What ya could rubema? Ompe corruption, ompe katashishe proye kaina amiri omayana is here ompe. Your leader was saying, and as what the contract am appointees are one conquer juma pa or be policy mamma. It only takes Papa J to do that. Your leader was saying, Enna say a Juma idea show someone go desi kanwa. No wait me arrest you. He doesn't even care whether who na memumu. Or the party move, only the party move. So far as I wait Ghana, so far as I wait Ghana problem, he will arrest him. From Nkrumah Brenso abe pimene leader no say, and now bet me I sad him. It only take Papa J to do that. Bisa say you penny for do say fitting Nkrumah Brenso, and now Nkrumah Brenso be see me. The leader bang, and I leaders a move be bang, and I move bang, and I leader bang now or no obesi say free a becala pass ebeko spinter so say free achimota ebeko sekelo say free tema eriko kodongo info what's sequence at traffic wo kwansu. I was a traffic. I take it quite I bet taking an hour and some do fee because Papa J on your person kumina because Papa J on your udini Papa J because he's a justice man. Because Papa J is a justice man. He is not corrupted. He is a positive man. Osifon. Papa no Osifon. Otumye den ejina ye control traffic. Make sure say the traffic flow through. A flow I was obia to me enya ne hu fa wodi ne hu ne obia to me obia ka de enya kwan ye ko ansa na ofri ho no. Me bisa say ye leader ben and over to them. If you Nkrumah pensu, eba Mesa pensu, eba Mahama pensu, eba a friend say Akufo-Addo pensu sisia bisa me bisa say ye leader ben. The man deserve than this. The man Papa J deserve than the insults. Papa J deserve than unnecessary talks. Papa J deserve than what we are offering him today. The man deserve, I say the man deserve more than this. Anka say fiti Nkrumah penso misi one mun kanche manka obi to me cat e kire me say Okay, government way, papa way na bem sunsu, and na plan sunsu, or ye be, or being me. So, I look president to me see from a control traffic. President to me see go to when you got them. Any election time. Any campaign or ye. President Ben and a train for a young oye juma or to me on one to me a trad dear or not to me peja that dear and the black train. One way train one on one to me didn't a ship to one way be. Any election time. Any campaign or ye. Me per se or be and say president be from Kuma Penso be seen me apart from Papa Jeno. Your president be on one to be the one shall go them when you got them. Any election time, any campaign or ye. President be want to me train for cry Juma or want to me use a holy cutting machine. A cut that dear, a picture that dear, the boy one body Juma, any campaign time, any campaign or any election time. Me person will be and me apart from Papa J. The man deserve what we are offering the man today. Me pisa say President Bay and I leader paying our all Ghana and our obesi or Ghana my room and obedi 1 hour obedi Ghana so paying our leader out to receive from a control traffic. Even though or a former president, but the man is simple because he's not selfish, because he's not greedy, because he's not wicked, because he doesn't like cheat. He's not the kind of person who like cheating people. He decided to get down and control the traffic to flow before he continued his journey. What a leader. Yes, he's a leader. I call him a hero. May your soul rest in peace. Former President Jerry John Rawlings, wherever you are right now, may the Lord, may the Creator help your soul to rest in peace. Me say leader bay and ultimately for my years I now control traffic through trans and okoye. And ka wait wow. Then no one be seeing ko. Police if one no so mu be see mu fa kwan so mu traffic wo pe wo won so ma so mu sare no wow no one be seeing ko. MP no so sare no one be seeing ko. President no be so na conference ministers e so no one be seeing ko. Na timu for no mu na mo chibi. Nti omu de omundi traffic mu ba papa je no wan dwin sa wan dwin onu kwa no anka e ka onu kwa obetumi afem obetumi aso car no ni sare esisu obetumi aso car ni sare esisu sa ana obetumi ade car na aben obetumi aso aben esisu abetwem. But because he's not selfish, he's not greedy, he's not wicked, he's not a murderer like you people. So he won't do that. Because he thinks still, although he is a former president, he still think about his people. He still think about the nation. Namutiwa. Na kosia semu akika ena akam. Jimmy akika ena akam Ghana for ebinu. Kosia semu akika say ena akam. The man deserves than what we are offering, what we Ghanaians are offering the man. Even the whole Africa, even the world knows that the man deserves than what we Ghanaians are offering the man. Because as someone yekika kani nyina omu hwe, ewiasa fane nyina hwe. Ewiasa fane nyina hu de wi ayeji e Ghana for yejimi a ye ni nyansan yetie wu. Wiasa fane nyina hwe. Say baby papa we abeyamo because we busiani a say omo dey na call fire squad shooting on because of the thing omo dey call no one be san hwemu ye no kro na ewo mu no what hwemu ye omo nkre no say sika bi na wawi o say bibi body bi na oye ye o enti na papa no e dire no sa no dey we mu wan ko hwemu ba ko say asem kika and I come so we call Nipan. Now the wound Nipan, Niana, Obusi, and the Oye and Sans and Mokon, you don't think about it. The man is not mad. Excuse my language, Papa J is never mad to just get up and be killing people. There is a reason. There is a saying that there is no smoke without fire. A palm tree does not blow. A palm tree does not move without air passing through, or the air without air causing it to shake or to blow air. The Papa J you know or ye no for a reason. A beer na it was make the Papa J deserve more than the Ghana for Eddie Papa J you won Eddie yes here. Omo kika kosasem kika kosasem. Omo amode ye politics. What kind of a madness country are we now? What kind of a country do you have right now? We are in a country that God has blessed us with knowledge and resources, but we refuse to use our knowledge. We refuse to use our sense. And I cause some kika and I share ma. Jimmy some kika and I share ma. Papa J deserves than what we are giving him today. As an insult, as an unnecessary waste, as an unnecessary comment to make against this man. Papa J, I salute you. And wherever you are now, I said, may your soul rest in perfect peace. And it will. It will surely rest in perfect peace. Would they walk over? But I'm going to take on the casa cosia seven or more DNA. Because the engine who yes, I am money now also been most welcome Crawford. Why she's watching Crawford crazy? Why is in Crawford near Manu? There is a reason behind it. In those days, to get money to buy a Benz is not easy. But now the part that's to me top Benz 3, 4. I have a family member. I'm a sample of it. I have a family member. In those days, he also had a almost like three Benz car. And Papa J is Suman free. Accra, I'm a mobile some Benz free from the village. Most some Benz in the back because a Juman apano you cannot afford it with your salary, and you cannot even fuel it with your salary. Then that is what the man always does. Then when a man sees something like that, he call you, use national security, investigate, take your thing, and when you need to be arrested, he arrests you and jail you for stealing the country, for duping the country, for robbing the country. So doing all these things for Ghanaians. And it is the kind of a payment that you guys will pay him with unnecessary words, with the silly comments that he deserves to die. Anybody who made that silly comment is a very stupid person. He's a cow. He's a dog. He's a big animal. He's a very fool animal, foolish animal. Messi, Obia will make his silly comment with Jimmy. Papa J deserve more than this. Papa no deserve more than the Ghana for a man. I am telling you. Me party MPP NDC. Papa J ni wona modi ye politics no munchai. Munchai efise wiase fani aba wiase fani nyina hwe. Wiase fani nyina ehum. Omo hwe mo. Asem hu na modi amodi Papa J eyie no e de ye munchai. Mu gu papa no mfi. Mu gu papa no ne yiye no mfi. The papa credibility no more dragging it into a man into a mess. I didn't know where I I didn't know to me and dream and come home boom and see papa and ma papa a befitting burial. The man deserved than this. I am still saying that is my word. Papa J deserved than this. He deserved than this silly words, this silly politics that these two parties, some of the members are trying to use his death to do politics. It does not sound well about Ghana. It doesn't sound well about Ghana. The only thing you know, go yourself and you know, say, and I leader, and a papa Jew, out, papa, the bar, yourself and you know, and your poor, this, yourself and you know, say, we are could grow Bema, we are could druni, we are Bema on Pecron, we are Bema on Pecatashe, on the Bema on Pessi. And only Ghana for no problem. They don't understand because he doesn't like those acts to steal, rob, kill. He doesn't like a corruption, act of corruptions. That the echoes on one penny he will deal with you because of that. When he deal with people, some people, the people and their family sees Rollins as an enemy. Na muti weka enunti owu ana muti weka kosasem na wo ya de pa na obeku se wanka mu ya de pa mu busu ni awon papa je echi omu tum ana weku mu no mu ya de pa ka weku na ni dan pa ja anku Ghana fo ni na se papa je se mu fi se yare no yare a enti se nipa na opeku mu nti se sa na nipa na opeku nkra if he likes to kill human being na. Why didn't he kill every Ghanaian by then? Because the man have a vision. He does his thing according to his what? His words. Because they did something wrong. They did something wrong. And the whatever they did wrong, the payment or the award that's supposed to be given to them. That's what the man gives to them. So don't be a family member of those people and be making a silly comment. Don't say because of your family member of those people that Papa J have arrested or sent to firing squad. So you'll be there and be making a silly comment about the man. No. It could surprise you that this man, Papa J, will go and rest in the bosom of the Almighty. But you will die, you will go to hell. I'm telling you, because you are a hypocrite, you are a criminal, you are corrupted. When someone steals, you cannot say. When someone is doing something wrong, you cannot say it. You cannot put justice in place. Always cry for peace. When you die, you go to hell. Be there and be saying silly things, stupid things against the Papa J's death. Be there. It will surprise you. You will die and go to hell. Yeah, woman, use your answer. Now more di papa no so yie no e de politics mu njai because emfata Ghana ingwase emfata kremoni mu njai ko sasem na mu dididi mo di papa no yie no e politics mu njai ko sasem no mu njai ntem because mo di gu Ghana ni mo ansi ko wiye safa na nyina ye hwe Ghana. We are suffering in a share. I didn't know yes, sir. But now, as a muka move to me, my papa will be fitting barrier. Move your Cosasama Modi. When I say, we penny for my mom. When I say, Uno Diamo, my mom. One would die on people pony, one more so pony, nay, was here. One more slow pony. And I won't you would di a colasem. And I would di a bro. Na ya was ye nearly and I became. One would die on ya, say, you muyuzu, I nakupon their mamma, Mufanya Nipa. Muyuzu my dream, anya ko ponde amamo se mufanya mufa nkasempa no mumfa nkasempa mumama no we ya ese asempa efim no mumfa nkasempa na sempa emfim na echidifo no ni nkola mo ba nso no musumu sua bibi papa efim ho enye obi ti se papa ji a obewu amodi nu ebeye politics. No, the man deserves than what we guys are paying him now. We are giving to him now. He deserves more than what we are giving him. Why? What a wicked country. What a wicked leaders we have. What a selfish, wicked leaders we have. Because omo the year politics, because about 2 we are in the season of election. So they are using Papa J's there to do politics. Because of the political power. They are playing their selfish game in this particular time. They are playing selfish game with this man's death. See, Munjai, enye. Nukrele bakupe. Ghana before Munjai. Ghana politicians Munjai de omuye. Mudi Papa J yenu edie politics. First enu mwasema omano. Efise obiasa fa nyina de nyina no omuti omuhwe. Se yantumi amma Papa J be fitting burial. Se yantumi anka mo two party MPP ni se mo antumi anka mbo. Ana ye Ghana fo nyina yantumi anka mbo ansi papa we. Amma no be fitting burial say ye mana. Biasa fa nyina hwe. Se yenim na ye politics. Na de say ye na de say fata ye nyene fata papa no yantumi anya. Na because of a politics or a tribalism or tribal game, mu be ye bibi dia go papa ni mu a. Yeah, wo the ball war e be samba wo. It will bounce back to you. On the woko. Why yet the so to me here, why yet Ghana man. No more amu ni ombo. Omo amu aso ombeti. Joy say we no why ni debi. Ba mu amu wo so sisi a, na mu amu sampese mu ba so. Na mu amu tim sisi a no mu de na hia. Ghana fo ye nyanchun dodo. Ghana fo omo ye hwehwenu fo dodo. Ghana fo mi se omo ye hwehwenu fo dodo aden. Papa we ti ase no na asanfun na kwose asem ko na MPP firi mo no. Na Jimmy sem e na MPP firi bi no mo anu. Against Papa no. Against Papa J. Jimmy sem e na MPP firi mo no against Papa J. Ena Papa na yesi, ochi na Papa no nye. Ena Papa na yesi, ena Papa na nye. Ena Papa no kunipa, ena Papa no jingrofo ni ama, ena Papa no jingrofo ka, ena wo yesi. Ba ne de wo we de munyina mo be gina wo se Papa J ni papa. Ade na mo nya atwonfo sa. Ade Ghana fo mo ya hwehwemu fo sa. Oti ase na kosi asem ko na mo kan fa no. Owu dia oye ni papa. Ade ntina nipa no ti ase die oye muntumi bo na ba so a obeye no mo. Ba fe de owu ye die obia dia oti ase a waye amuse enye no afi de enu na obia bo na ba so. Muye papa. Ghana Fangasana, papa. Are we sick in our mind? Are we correct at all? Are we okay? Are we not being stupid? Are we not being stupid? That when someone is alive doing something or that has done something, and we supposed to praise the person, we're supposed to appreciate it and congratulate the person to do more. Na ye no na ye condemn ba owu no fi wiase a afa na ye ba bo na baso afa na ye ba be kan asempa fa no. What kind of a wicked country? What kind of a wicked country are we living in? What kind of a crazy country are we living in? No, what kind of crazy country are we living in? Where will you afa die mobile president nya twonfo Ghana for hwehwenu mu for Ghana for ebinum awanyi nya twon hwehwenu mu ono waye ni die bio mesi we wie ni die obetu die obetu onu betu aye no abeya ma wiase nye Ghana po keke. I say whatever Jerry John Rawlings, former Jerry John Rawlings, whatever he is, may his soul rest in peace. Whatever he can do with his strength to support this country, he has done his best. And he has gone. So he left I and you to do our best. It left I and you to see what we can do to help this country. It left I and you to see how we can take this country out from the hands of the corrupted people. It left I and you to see how we can drive a cholera away from this country. It left I and you to see how our gutters can be cleaned, to take a corona away and malaria away from this country. It left I and you to fight to save the soul of this country. Mother Ghana is suffering. So it left I and you to see how best and how far we can take this country. Papa J has done his best and he's gone. He is far away. Either this country is good or bad. He's gone. He's out from the country. He's out from the country's issues. He's out from the country problem, the troubles. Wherever he is now, I hope he's having his peace of mind. He is having his peace of mind now wherever he is. But ask me, I and you, what are we having right now? We are in the system of corruption, criminal, killing, day and day or day by day. Human soul has been taken by armed robbers, has been taken by bad people. Innocent souls have been killed. And it will continue because he led I and you for you to get up and fight against it. These are some of the things that Papa J has fought against. And we Ghanaians stood up, or we Ghanaians came out and calling him a lot of names, a sort of names, types of names. He said he's bad, he has been killing people, he arrests too much people. So now it is our turn. It's I and you turn to see how we can fight more than Papa J to take this country out from the hands of the wicked ones, the vampires. Those who suck human bloods. Now, mun jaisa politics a mudi papa ni ye na ye ana ni wonu ye. Eye kwasi asem. Eye jimi sem. Eye nkola sem. Enka sempa nfa Ghana mo. Ena mu a mu ye sade no so enka sempa nfa mo. Enka sempa enfa NDC mo. Ena enka sempa so fa MPP mo. Muchai, Papa ni you know, Papa, the man deserves than that. Papa J deserves more than what we are giving him right now. He deserves more than what we are giving him in terms of using his death to do politics. In terms of saying unnecessary things, a silly words, a silly comment about his death, that he deserves to die. Who does not deserve to die? Everybody deserves to die. The pot of death, everybody will drink its water. A pot of death, nobody can swerve, nobody can dodge its food. Everybody will eat it. Everybody will drink its pot's water before we live on this earth. Everybody is going to die. Everybody will die. I will die, you will die. Nobody is going to turn a stone on this earth. So when you are there doing your silly comment, your silly words, think about your home. Think about your end. No matter how the situation is, Papa J's end and Papa J's burial will be far better than you, the one making that silly comment that he deserves to die and he has received his payment. What kind of nonsense word is that? You're very stupid to make that nonsense, that words. A man who fought for this country, who sacrificed, they arrest him, remove his nails, with a plier, a man who has gone through a lot of suffocations, the man who has been jailed. Even in the whole West Africa, where you take Nelson Mandela flew on man, Papa J never won. Even I think the suffering that Papa J gone through is even more than Nelson Mandela won. So why won't we all gather as one people? You better Papa no be fitting burial. You better be just a final and say yes, he's a hero. I didn't know to me, man. Yes, a final and say yes. Papa way is a hero. He's a charismatic. I didn't know to me yes I don't. Na kosa sem kika na ahye adwuma kosa sem kika na ahye ma de ntina ntumi ntwi kwa enim nyakopon wa ma ya dwen ba se wan dwen a o ma nyakopon bre munja jimisem na modi a modi papa no yie no eni wo no e politics munja kana pelifo munja sa de no emfata Ghana man no na emfata mu pelifo na mu no so emfata mu munja sa jimisem na modi Napone webi adentina MPP muni NDC for mu kambo NDC papa no emma upon be fitting burial aden. What is the problem? Is it because of the politics? Is it because of you put your selfish interest? You cannot come together as a one people and give a former president John Rawlings a befitting burial. Adentina mu tisa aden.